Hi guys, a pleasant morning. A warm welcome to parents as well as students. Today's video we are going to discuss how to write your classwork notebooks. So from today for all the subject hereafter you will be receiving this kind of videos. What you have to do is you have to write the classwork properly and you have to take a photo and send it to the given email ID. Now let us discuss for English whatever you have to write it in the classwork note. I think so far we have completed 2 units, that is unit 1 and unit 2. So unit 2, as I said, you might have written in your classwork note. Am I right? So leave that as it is. So today we are going to write unit 1 prose and poem. So put today's date and start writing. So before writing, I would like to tell you, usually I used to give a grade for handwriting. So if it is excellent, I used to give A star, and if it is good, I used to give A, and if it is okay, I used to give B. If I have given C, you have to improve your handwriting, that you have to practice it. If it is D, it is so worst and you have to practice it daily. So use this quarantine wisely and write it properly. Now let's see the first line. See here, now unit 1 and the prose, the best Christmas present in the world. The title you have to write it in the black pen and first Roman letter meanings. So here first one clumsily, which means awkwardly, and then mender, to set right something broken or torn. So like this, for all this 10 you have to find its meaning. You have to see the dictionary and you have to write the answer. So this is your work. Okay, let's see the next one. Second Roman letter is answer the following. So first question, what did the author find in the junk shop? So if you have read your book properly, you will get the answers also. So the author found a roll top desk. Okay. Now, the second one. What job did Hans Wolf and Jim McPherson have when they were not soldiers? What is the answer, guys? The answer is Hans Wolf was a cello player in orchestra at Dusseldorf, and then Jim McPherson was a school teacher in Dorset on the west of England. So now let's move on to the third question. So wherever you need, you pause the video and write it in your classwork note, or you can write the answer in your own words too. I would always prefer your own answers. Now see, I have given my own answers here. So Hans Wolf and Jim thought the games are the good ways of resolving conflicts because no child will become orphan, no wives will become widows, and no one will be killed. So next one, I have given 3 questions here, that is 4th and 5th and 6th. So for this you have to write your own answers. First let us discuss this. What is Connie's Christmas present? Tell me, what is Connie's Christmas present? Connie's Christmas present was that letter. Okay, you have to write the answer. And then 5th one, do you think that soldiers of 2 armies like each other or different from each other? You have to give reasons for your answer. Do you think that they like each other or they don't like each other? Like this, you have to give your own answers there. And then 6th one, do you think the title of the story is suitable for it? Yes, absolutely right. It is the best Christmas present in the world. So you can give the answer as yes. Give one suitable title on your own. So what you have to do? So you have to think and give a suitable title for this story. So here your prose ends. So once you finish your 6 questions, you have to write grade for handwriting and you have to draw that box. So inside the box, I will give your grade. Let's move on to the poem. See here, poem, the ant and the cricket. So first one is synonyms. So 6 synonyms I have given here. So you have to write this in your classwork note. I think we have already seen this meanings in your video even. At last I might have attached it. So here you just pass it and write it in your classwork. And then second one is answer the following. So what is your opinion about the ants principle? So here I have given the answers. So if you want, you can copy it or just write your own answers in your own words. So the ants principle is appropriate to some extent, but we should not be so harsh to overlook one's starvation. So instead, we can make them realize their mistake. So this is what you have to write it. Okay, let's move on to the second question. The cricket says, "Oh, what will become of me?" When does he say it and why? So when does he say it, guys? when he found his cupboard empty. At the time only he used to complain. So here you have to write the answer like this. So winter has come and Cricket has nothing to eat. So he could not even find a crumb. So he was worried for his food and shelter. So at the time the Cricket said, "Oh, what will become of me?" Okay, so let's move on to the third one. See, idleness is a key to beggary. So what is the meaning of this proverb? Idleness is laziness. So if you are lazy, you have to beg to someone at later. So this is the meaning of this proverb. You have to develop this proverb through the poem The Ant and the Cricket. I expect your own answer for this question. So whatever in the video is just for a reference. Don't copy this answer as it is. You can write the answers in your own way. So here I have attached my own answer. So for reference you can check it, but write it in your own way. Here the unit 1 prose and poem ends. So whatever you have written in your classwork now, you have to take a picture and you have to send to an email ID which is displayed in the slide. So send it properly. In your Honeydew book, page number 17, you have filling the blanks using the correct form of verbs in the bracket. You can just practice this in your home and try to complete it. That's all. So whatever you have written in classwork, please take a picture and don't forget to send it to the given mail ID. Until then, take care. Bye. Thank you.